the first to know. Nsem-Pii TV.
Yedieni Echiremu Ewo, the Financial, Economic and Criminal Division of the Accra High Court. Now, Yebo Ewura Court to say ya. Now, it is the one and only case as Ghana for Dudonani DHR, the 2.37 million euro ambulance scandal case involving minority leader, member of parliament for Juma Kunyanesiam, the Honorable Case Latofosen. After the third accused, the businessman and NDC philanthropist Richard Nsem-Pii, and the state represented by the Attorney General Godfrey Diabuadame. Now, Enra Krata Ekopiemu Ewo open court from the minority leadership in Parliament, signed by Deputy Minority Chief Whip Governors Kwame Agboza. Now, inside the letter was a plea. Na plea ben yedichichiremu bremo. Was the plea accepted by her ladyship, Justice Efiasewa Sarebutwa na yedehun chichiremu ebe bremo. Now after the ruling, how was the atmosphere like in court? Yede nunsun chichiremu ebe bremo. Now, straight to the court. Kratano emra Justice Efiasewa Sarebutwa ebi mono. Na a letter from minority leadership in Parliament requesting minority leader Kesel Atoforsen Ebrebi Wohwa, he will be absent from court to attend parliamentary duties. May kind be letter that was addressed to the Financial, Economic and Criminal Division of the Accra High Court, and some Nubian woman said the minority leadership in Parliament requested from her ladyship Justice Efiasewa Sarebutwa say Omo minority leader Kesel Atoforsen Ebrebi bedru wo court to he will have to be absent from court to attend to parliamentary duties. Now, Omo kan krata no ye no a na her ladyship Justice Efiasewa Sarebutwa in open court. Chire mu say ye di kan o de buo any nidie ema Ghana mrahye bedwa. Ye di kan ye to so mienu or the boni nidie emma the leadership of parliament, especially both the minority leadership and the majority leadership. Ye to so mienu na obusa sembi enti wo he Dr. Kesel Atoforsen nim street no so obusa na say senka onya minority leader e wo mrahye bedwo ena oye school bi senior house master enti ka obetumi atwere krata de abre court say ene ya na school be school me house master e was say me at the assembly grounds to solve issues with students coming to the boarding house enutimi ntumi makort na Atoforsen nyina asem tete me timu bio her ladyship Justice Efiasewa Sarebutwa kinka letter ni wiye ena wo dane nani e de hwe the first accused Kesel Atoforsen ena wo see Yanfa ne say onya minority leader ena oye school bi senior house master ena ne ya na school na bi school ena watchre krata dia bre court say because oye senior house master nti e was say oye present at reopening assembly to address issues bothering students at a boarding house one one enti on to be makoto enka saying enu be feel Court Budin. The first accused Kesel Atoforsen answer. Sa asu na lawyers obi ankasa. Enna her ladyship Justice Efiasewa Sarebutwa say. Minority leader, you've not been called to the court as a witness. You've not been called to court as a witness. Neither are you here in court as a second or a third accused. You are in court as the first accused person, the prima donna in this case, standing trial for causing financial loss to the state. Intiensha sadi enonso. Ena wasanka kire Kesel Atoforsen no lawyers say. Osre wom. Omumwa na ontumi finish case very quickly. The sanity. Nobody, and I repeat, nobody will have the chance to absent himself from court to attend any other occasion. NC. And she made reference to how the court handled the case involving Member of Parliament for Boko Central, Mahama Yarega, who was standing trial over alleged procurement breaches in an ambulance purchase, but was subsequently discharged. Owiye was making reference to another NDC MP for Esutifi South, the Alhaji Collins Dauda. Ya on also standing trial for causing financial loss to the state in the Sagleme case. And was it nipa bienu nyina NDC Mps. Omu nyina Mahama Yarega de subsequently he's been discharged. But ene ni ya yekase Alhaji Collins Dauda attended to court on that particular case. Enti wo hunu the difference between Casey Latoforsen, Alhaji Collins Dauda, and Mahama Yarega. They are all members of parliament. And it was said to me, say permission is disqualified. Nobody will be allowed to go and attend to whatever they please. NDC. Hence, Dr. Casey Latoforsen will have to attend every single court sitting as the principal accused person standing trial in these 2.37 million euro ambulances. To omar these two scenarios we here, and Osama, Dr. Casey Latoforsen, the lawyers and the minority leadership in parliament and no more court, they can't buy as to say. So no, her leadership justice affairs was a book tiasi. Ya was say omumwa na woni case intend to be. Dr. Casey Latoforsen on son cinema Mahama Yarega. On son sin Alhaji Collins Dauda. Mahama Yarega di court akoni abasa saa kosi se court de sergeant. Ebesi na nyina no Alhaji Collins Dauda da so back court in the $200 million Sagleme scandal. Enunti Dr. Casey Latoforsen cannot absent himself from court to attend the parliamentary duties whatsoever. Because case no aye kan nyina no or not the principal accused person standing trial. Anna, Justice Affairs Advocate Sakawe, I am quoting. Also, please, let's try and put the plan back on schedule. Let's try not to interrupt the flow of things. It will never happen in this court. NC, our court la. Enti mesramani diemu. Ye nyina ye modern say and hyehyɛ ya ye de agu akwan mu. Ye bedi hyehyɛ no so pepepe. Ma obi anya na adwene say or the interruption be ababa. The court had easy. The judge said the original plan is to conclude by end of June. But Mr. Jakpa, the third accused person, no, the original plan, was to conclude by end of May 2024. But Mr. Jakpa, the third accused person, sacked his lawyer. And this was the situation which changed the course plan. And I justice if I was about to chirima. And she said, "Mono." And Kabosu be a child moon every year, and a case you didn't never be. But I did this is moon, and I said the third accused, Richard Jakpa. And Opamo lawyer Niana Ujamaman, Ecofa lawyer for. And no necessary court on Shishay, Yana down, and Cassia Yakasi will do a case in that. Now, her ladyship Justice Efia Sewa Asarebuchi then adjourned the case to the 13th day of June, which is Nakuponya Dumwa. Now, Dr. Casey Latoforsen and Richard Jakpa have all pleaded not guilty to causing financial loss of 2.37 million euro to the state in a deal to purchase 200 ambulances for Ghana between 2014 and 2016. Enti wey any enyoma enra ekopie mu ewo court emra Justice Efia Sewa Asarebotwe decline krata minority leadership edekopie mu omra shebadwa mu say ebire bebedura Dr. Casey Latoforsen was so attended to parliamentary duties enti wontumi emma empie mu ewo court na Dr. Kwabena Bonfe yadodo na afre no the general Kabila enso kire na adwen edfa krata yi ho ene rulina justice efia se wasare botwe de betu bia je be ko ne akotie ne de no e de asoso
ama osno amanyaku no e wa fa afie abae betu mu na manfo no mko ye no
Ninya yes sa woko Roma ninya yes sa woko Nkramofonia yes sa woko ujina ho man peswa no so what is this? Unfortunately omo esese omo kire ye no hwede omo kire wo maka what happen kame akoye se minua Haruna Idrisu ene muntaka mu a yesesa wo na me ofa se du nketia they were foreseen. And no more person who creates a problem ya yaban. Say, young castle I to forcing a minority leader. Say, why you believe him? This all coffee simra FM. Sabre no I shall see you. Who is he was standing trial and a minority leader. So, in my analysis, my dream, it was to create this problem. Say name na shebe form wo gina omo ye to obayi wo mu NDC anamu no wo mu nkase enam say wo mu ba no dani ana say wo mu kanifo wo ya sha say prosecuting the dada no asem kwa ya kia kan wie no ye nkase nti ye ne na shebe dwa fie adwuma no ye digu na nya bia minority for no mumu ha na ye to aba mam wo mu mpeso aso on mu no ye de ato forcing etache mu. Which of you had your elections tied to forcing?
Well,
no, please. You are there as a caucus, I understand. But you are also there representing individual constituencies. Don't deny that. So how can you say, forcing minimum? Sententia edidina, I will talk against it. Se kangaroo court I will talk against it. Mini apani Dr. Stephen Kwabena me feel say the case achedodo. I've spoken about it. I'm praying say obey friends say vindicated at the end of the day. That's my wish. But I will not say tie case na charge and to be in kangaroo court. Anything I could take them say hey me Nsem. That's absurd.
that's what we've been used to.
We cannot accept that under a constitutional rule.
Kabila, let me on this point. Let me intervene. Now, me more with little information about what actually happened. The echoes, no NDC caucus in Parliament and can say ma atu forcing and caucus. What we are saying is say every member of this country, and I say every leader in this country know what certain privileges members of Parliament have. And then a first day I reopen what do you call it? It's not an ordinary recall, but we are reconvening to start the last session of Parliament. And it's one much letter Eddie Akoma judge and say, and then can you excuse our leader because Obe play part in the reopening of this session, this last session? And I did now reject it. So he should come. And he said, look, and the uncle no mra We sat. Yeah, Tracy. As I speak to you, sorry.
My friend.
Because of this engagement, and I'm sorry for you, Oba. Parliament is sitting.
Well, you see, I like this.
Yes.
But you have not exhausted all the means available to you.
No.
Me pacho. A high court. Mami no, you are Prince Court judge or city as additional high court judge.
Yeah.
Her decision is not sacrosanct. You can challenge. No, yeah, you see, the burden of democracy is fidelity to the law. The burden of democracy. So what say what pay kabi mean kabi?
Yeah.
Rule of law, constitutionalism. Yanfa periperinye adwuma. Asasa wonya botre na okase. Ade adidi mi enye judge krase mo kani sen koka. Nso waka enya hwe. I'll go upstairs and appeal her decision on the face of the law, because more you convinced say maame no nyina so amode koye no esese nko tie and I was won tie omro so mpo Supreme Court kra kwa asem so na oka wi a yetimi ko review the me pa chane say
but the say what you say you betwen onkomra. What
he read, what Omahini read,
No.
Omahini read something that says, you will not cooperate and perform your functions as members of parliament representing constituencies.
Parliament, but statement there by you know.
Yeah. What's
Agboja statement no or release patch they say until say.
No, but are you sure that
because
you see
sometimes
and
that's
the point is that minority leader letterhead.
Exactly. So let me read it.
I'm not privy to that. So you see, the point was that we
NDC Minority Caucus to solidarize with minority leaders.
That's what I'm saying. Let's pick and choose.
Yeah. The NDC Minority Caucus will only be available for the business of Parliament after proceedings of the court have ended.
That is the point.
On the days
yes, that's the point.
Scheduled on the days.
Yes.
Scheduled for the hearing of the ongoing ambulance case. On the days.
On the days. Yeah.
So no.
Obe court. We are saying
that on the days.
Let me tell you. We have revised. No. Don't. What we are saying is that Obeko court now bans on the city. Now your new standing orders. Your term this time around, once we have business, no, say 12 midnight. Yet to be trusted. And it's Obeko court and opa. Because honestly speaking, who court assemble anymore. I will go here. No, obey your baby. Jira honwa ye. Obey concentration. It's the air can say. Obey court now, but near Baba transit. After all this time, no. The standing orders which they say you beat me at transit up to 12 midnight. Even if only.
Doctor,
that's all.
May ya the doctor ya jene say.
Obey court.
May ya the doctor ya jene say.
NTA document.
Yeah, na ya adwene say. Sa court is Nsem-Pii. And I hear two forces in your minority.
No,
okay,
please.
So you see, media. Let's say I'm being speculative.
Yeah,
let's say I'm being speculative, but I'm giving you a justification for my speculation. May have rational speculation, logical. Yes. Why you fast within the buy? You understand? But here's the point: media must remain a minority for.
That we could have made police the leader. Also a case of court.
So I'm coming to that.
Sorry, I say.
And I'm coming to that. The hypocrisy on the part of your party.
Why?
Outside Parliament. Almost a press conference. The party did a press conference. That means 2 million kuma sami jemfiwa. Come sa. Mami said natamakulu. Say no judge I pronounce a guilt judgment on her. I will not cry a sentence in absentia. I see Interpol cry pediatrician. So what is the Omaya press conference? Minia Penny Stephen Kwabno Puni doctor or standing trial.
Yeah.
No NDC ni or NDC ni. What is Omaya press conference?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
NDC
Please. Oh. Call Honorable Collins out, Madam.
Yeah.
Standing trial.
Yes.
My press conference as a party. You see, get my point. So how special is Atufosin? Need trial. I no no and the part that is most dangerous. It was silent in Muni say Atufosin is being persecuted. When you say your constitution a brass persecution.
Yes.
That so okay. The lawyer standing in for him. Me name say me penny madam for look.
Only say
They can